Initial dollar per conversion is $35.66, and reoccurring or dollar per rebel is 41.80 dollars. So next up we have a brand new home doctor. So it's compliant for some reason, okay. Um, the other thing is that 75% initial commissions for physical book sales, performs well in most niches, health, survival remedies, etc. 10% conversion. Okay, so we have a gravity score of 58.90, which is quite high. And then we have an average dollar per conversion, which is $38.87. Next up, we have the Lost Superfoods, new in 2022 for affiliates. From the creators of The Lost Ways and The Lost Book of Remedies. Everything just seems lost here. But this is the best selling product and it's now available. So it has upsell flow. It has like to get paid that way. So you have upsell flow. We covered that in the previous video, and then you have physical product. Then you have a one-time fee. Then you also have affiliate tools, and it is mobile friendly, so that's fantastic. Next up we have water freedom system, which is actually, you know what? I'm actually very curious as to what this is. So let's go ahead and find out. Read more. So this says fresh VSL, unexplored evergreen niche, monster converter, ultra optimized upsell funnel, get up to 90% commissions on front and back end sales, new affiliate area, swipes and tools, crushes on Facebook and cold traffic, with insane EPCs on survival, green, and more. Okay, so that's a thing, and looking at what they offer here, or rather the stats of this thing, it seems that the gravity score for this is 43.16. So that's decent. Then the initial dollar per conversion is $46.33, and reoccurring dollar per rebel is $15.44, and that gives us an average dollar conversion of $47.33. As on the side, we have upsell